Sometimes customers are not ready to install solar panels, but they would like the home wired and ready for solar. This occurs mostly in new construction. We call this a solar pre-wire or rough-in. To choose where the solar pre-wire will occur, a system designer will determine the best roof locations for solar panels. System designers use a tool called the Solmetric Sun Eye, which measures how much solar access and shade a particular roof will receive. The resulting sun chart helps to estimate how much energy a solar system will produce and will be provided to the homeowner and saved for future use. System designers and the homeowner will agree on the potential solar roof and determine where the solar inverter will be installed. Usually we place it in a garage, utility room, or outside wall. We install electrical conduit or wire from the roof where the solar panels will go down the inside of the wall framing to where the inverter and electrical panel are located. All electrical wire or conduit is professionally labeled. All of this should happen during the regular electrical rough-in before any insulation and sheetrock is put in place. The solar conduit will be accessible for future use in a well-marked electrical box located where the inverter will go in the future. Conduit or wire will also be run to the electrical panel where the solar system will be connected, and a breaker space in the panel is reserved and then labeled as such. Depending on the utility company, there are sometimes incentives for a solar pre-wire. If you'd like to explore a pre-wire for your home, contact us at sunlightsolar.com.